Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be looking at how to compile a Valentine's Day explosion box, and you'll be getting a free link to Cricut Design Space file. So moving on with the project, I'll be using this primary cardstock which I bought from Walmart, and I'll be using uh, the black cardstock and the red cardstock from this. So I'll be taking out 3 of the black cardstocks and 2 of the red cardstocks because I'm just making a 3-layered explosion box in this video, whereas I have given 5 layers in the design space file. Okay, so moving on with the project, I'll be cutting my layers, and for that I'll be putting in my scoring stylus and my fine point blade in the Cricut maker. You can use any of the machines that you have, and then I'll start cutting the layers. After cutting the layers, I'll be compiling the explosion box, and in this I'll be keeping alternate layers like black, then red, and then black. You can choose as you like. Now I'll move on with folding along the scoring lines, and I'll do that for all the layers. Now for putting this together, I'll be using this double-sided tape from the Crafter Square. I bought this from the Dollar Tree, and it's one of my favorite tapes. So I'll be using this to put on the corners of the lid of the boxes. Now I'll start embellishing the card, and you can do as you like, but just for an idea, this is what I'm doing.